Very special purpose. We are going to find out the ground realities of being a student in Almaty. We're going to find out about the education, the food, the environment, the people, and in general how comfortable a student is being here. So let's go find out. So we're here with two existing students of Kazakh National Medical University, and let's hear from them how it is to study here in Almaty. Hi, so what is your name?
I'm Ishita Joshi.
Okay.
And I'm studying in 4th course here.
Lovely.
I'm Ashmita Gotwal and in 4th course.
4th year as well. Wonderful. So that's Ishita and Smita. Ishita, how did you decide that I want to study in Kazakhstan, in Almaty?
The main reason that is like I'm mostly influenced from my brother, and
Lovely.
like he studied medicine from this university.
Okay.
Yeah, and like I found this point is very influencing for me because he's placed in AIMS Delhi. And
Oh, wow,
he's
that's
performing
wonderful.
so nicely, and I'm very influenced because of that. And he used to told me about like it's a very good university. You have to go there and
Pursue your
that's how, like,
academics
yeah,
if you want to do medicine.
Yeah. And that's how I landed up here.
We
Okay.
searched about university and we found this university is very old and best university in Kazakhstan. So we will decide to come here.
So you decided that you want to be here. That's lovely. And what about the medium of instruction? Is it in English? And how are the classes conducted at large here?
Like the classes are completely conducted in English medium.
English, okay.
And like sometimes they use few
Russian
words of
languages.
Russians that
Okay.
is for basic like daily routine words, so that
Okay.
we have to understand that.
Right. So when you come here, is like Russian language taught to you that time, or is it a part of your curriculum to choose a language and you keep studying it?
No, we can choose according to language, but we have English medium here, so we can directly choose English medium.
Okay.
And they conduct some Russian classes.
Also that you can go and
Exactly. We have to like learn some language for daily purpose and.
right. And what about the attendance and how is that over here?
That's super strict.
Yeah,
I would
is
say.
it?
Like attendance
they are
pattern is
giving
very strict.
daily marking according to daily presence.
So you have assignments every day to submit?
Actually, we have daily, they ask questions about the daily theme, and we
Okay.
have to answer that, and we have to prepare that.
So it keeps you on your toes
Yeah,
every
it
day
always
that
keeps us on our toes.
that you have to go back and you have to
and we have to
study
prepare
and come back the next day.
Exactly.
Okay, so I have heard that the classes, there are around 200 international students with you. How are the classes conducted? What is are they taking a big lecture room and giving lecture to all the 200 students together? How are they managing it?
They are dividing in small groups, like
Okay.
10 to 12 people in one group.
One group, okay. For practical and theory both.
yeah, both.
Okay, so it's just
And
12
at the
students, 12 to 15 students who are there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
At the end of the week, we all come together for a common lecture. Then
Oh.
they conduct a common lecture for all.
Oh,
Again,
that's
for
wonderful.
Repeating.
For repeating the whole thing, all of you come together.
Yeah, they just divided the students in groups and subgroups so that student can even.
There's a
teachers
more
can-
personal attention on each student. They know
every
what is the
student.
progress
Yeah,
and whether. And you also are more comfortable. You can ask questions more freely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Without any hesitation.
Yeah. But otherwise, teachers, how are the teachers? Are they?
Teachers are very
How do you feel
and
like they are
They are very frank.
Okay.
And according to Western culture, they are very frank, and we can easily comfortable.
understand the course structure?
very
Have you seen
dedicated, I
how?
would say.
Okay, that's wonderful. But what is the course structure? Is it quite similar to what you have internationally and in India? All the subjects.
Yeah, the subjects are same.
Same,
as
okay.
per the Indian
Standards.
divided schedule of studies. Like
Okay.
3 subjects in the first course. And
Okay.
Like that. But we have cycle system here. That is the most different part here.
Okay.
Like in India, we have like daily lectures on the basis of subject.
Yes, okay.
And here it's like. If we have one subject like biochemistry, for example,
Okay.
in first course,
Okay.
then we have to study the biochemistry cycle for 15 days or for 28 days.
Okay.
And then there will be the exam for biochemistry.
Right, after
And-
15 days.
yeah, and
Okay.
then the biochemistry would be like finished. And
Okay,
new
so you
subjects
have subject-wise lectures, like you
Yeah,
continuously,
cycle
you continuously study a subject.
Exactly.
I think that's also a good thing because you have that subject in your mind and you're studying and you're absolutely focused on that one subject. That's wonderful. I think that's good. And what about the accommodation? Is it good? Are you comfortable where you are staying?
Like I'm comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah, because their university hostels are very nice. I would
You are
say.
in a university hostel right
Yeah.
now. Oh, wonderful. That's good.
And
right.
like in first course we were in university hostels,
Uh-huh.
and they provide the kitchen also, so
Okay.
that students are from different countries.
Right.
So they have their own
Preferences and
food
food.
and quality food, so that
Right.
we can make our
Own food also you can cook,
Yeah.
and plus they have a mess
Indian
also.
mess
They have
festival.
mess.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Wonderful. And right.
And there are so many Indian restaurants also.
Yeah, of course. That's
That's
that's you
very
can
nice
always
for us.
decide to go whenever you want. That's wonderful. And how do you travel? Are all the lectures conducted at one place in one university, or you have to visit at
In
different?
the first year, all lectures are in our university.
Okay.
And after in second year or third year, we need to go for different hospitals.
Mm-hmm.
So we can travel by public transport like metro,
Like
public bus
services also very nice.
That is a good
And
service.
very safe, I would
and
say.
taxis.
Okay,
taxi
yeah.
Also available.
So in general, the environment is very safe for women and
Mostly women, I would say.
wonderful.
It's very safe.
Very nice. And people are, how are the people? Are they friendly? Are they accepting?
Yeah, they are very frank and very nice to us.
Yeah. I've also heard that the university has association with around 20 hospitals
20,
where you get
22
practical
hospitals.
experience. So that starts after the first year. You
Yeah,
start
after
going to visit the hospitals and
Yeah, that's the first year we have to prepare mostly focused on theory part. And
Right.
from second course we
Uh-huh.
have to visit to the new specialty hospitals for like neurology departments,
Okay.
for gynec departments. Like we have
so you go to the
understand-
hospital
Yeah.
and you interact with the students.
Students and
You
specific-
practically see what's happening.
exactly.
Okay. And a lot of those lectures happen, practical
Yeah,
courses,
both.
you have to travel. So are you traveling every day?
Yes.
Almost, yeah?
Senior classes almost.
Oh, that's wonderful. I think that sums up our about the education in Kazakhstan and especially in Almaty, that there's so much of practical exposure to the student. The environment is comfortable. The students are friendly. The people are friendly. I think it's one of the very, very good destinations for choosing your future academics. Do you have any message for people in India or around the world, whoever is viewing this video and this conversation?
Like from my side, I would like just if students are looking for MBBS in abroad, they just used to figure out the few websites of few colleges, and I
Right.
even with this same pattern, I figure out this college, and it's
Right.
very nice. And
I think it's the
safe
quality
It's very
education,
good.
quality education, budget friendly. I
Yeah,
think for
affordable
people, of
fees.
course, we always feel for our parents that
Yeah, and
it
it's
should not be
visa
very
process.
stressful, and so
And
I.
it's not so much far from
Exactly,
our
I think that's a big plus that it is not very far. If we consider India, and it is
Yeah.
centrally located country, it is wonderful.
Temperature is also good.
Temperature,
and
yeah.
It's safe country. Education is very good.
Yeah, so I
we
think
can
there are all the pluses.
and even our parents can also get easily visa.
Visa,
So
yes,
that's the
yeah.
main
It's
plus point.
not as tedious as a UK, Europe, America to travel and meet family. Okay, thank you. I hope this video this conversation was good for you, and it will give you a lot of insight into the education in Kazakhstan. Thank you so much.